Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Alexis, and if you're new, welcome. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about hair goals and hair length and some shampoos and conditioners that I've been using to help that. So let's just jump on into it. So this year I decided to make a hair goal. I usually do make them. I've made them in the past and I never actually make the goal, and I've almost made it numerous times, but I really want my hair to be very long, like waist length or longer, and I usually end up cutting it before it actually gets there. My hair is very coarse and it's very heavy, so there's only certain kinds of styles that I can do so I don't have a headache or have a lot of pressure on my head. Most of the time my hair is in braids. It's hardly ever in a bun just because there's so much pressure when I put it in a bun on top of my head. But my hair goal this year is to have it very, very long and very, very strong. I don't want it to be stringy looking. I want it to be very full and beautiful looking. So I went online and was researching some shampoos and conditioners to help with the length and make it strong as it makes it, grow and stuff. And I know that my hair is not going to grow overnight magically with this shampoo. It was just, I want to have something to help it. And I've noticed a difference when I do wash my hair in these shampoos. I've noticed like lengthwise difference, and I've also noticed a scalp difference too. So the first shampoo that I'm going to be talking about is called Palmer's Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention. I do like this shampoo. It's very, very thick, like the texture of it. It's not thick, but it's a thicker shampoo than what I usually use anyway. And it also smells like chocolate. I mean, straight up chocolate or cocoa. So it does smell good. When I use this shampoo, like the texture of it, to me, I would think that my scalp is not going to get clean. It's just going to stay on my scalp. Like, it's that kind of texture. But it does make your scalp feel very clean. And I also cleanse my hair twice with shampoo. Then they also have a conditioner. It's the same thing. It smells like cocoa. The texture of it to me is like a hand lotion. Like, that's the only way I know how to describe the texture of it. It does not have very good slip. I also detangle in the shower with a wet brush, and it would not detangle for me at all. I usually had to put in like a deep conditioner or just another conditioner to make it slip for me. So I'm not really crazy about the actual conditioner, but I do like the shampoo. The next shampoo that I'm going to be talking about is called the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. And it is a strengthening shampoo, and it encourages growth is what it's for. This one kind of surprised me because usually when you use a mint, it makes your scalp tingle. This one does not. It doesn't make your scalp tingle, but it does make it feel really, really refreshed. It's got like a floral and a mint smell to it, and it's a little bit runnier than what the Palmer's is. I do like this shampoo better than I do the Palmer's. I think it's just because of the texture of it, but they have a whole line of this, but they do not have just a conditioner. They have a deep conditioner with it. So when I use it, I just use a regular conditioner that I have. I usually use Suave Essentials. It used to be Suave Naturals, and I usually just put that in and just detangle in the shower. I know you've heard this in every video for length, like for long hair. I know you've heard don't use heat. I don't use heat. I hardly ever use heat actually. Most of the time I'll wash my hair at night, and then it will dry through the night, and then I'll just fix it in the morning, which is usually just a braid or just pulling it back like half up out of my face. I don't dye it very often. I think the last time that I dyed it was in August of last year, and then I decided to put blonde in it 2 weeks ago. So I don't dye my hair, and I do not take a hair vitamin. The only vitamin that I take is a multi-daily vitamin. That is totally up to you if you want to take a hair vitamin, but I do not. But just be patient. I know it's hard, especially when you have hair that feels like it's not growing, like it's just stuck. When I had that happen to me was when I was using heat all the time and dyeing it all the time, and it was like down to probably here, and it just like got stuck, and I was so upset because I wanted it longer, and then I cut it all off because I got mad. But just be patient. I know it's hard to be patient when you want something like right now, but it will come. Alrighty guys, this wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. Like and share this video, and also subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.